With winter approaching, it is important to be ready for possible hailstorms. We want to share some tips to protect your vehicle. Take cover. If there's a storm approaching, find the nearest building or parking garage where you can wait for the storm to pass. Emergency gear. Having ordinary household items such as blankets or cardboard boxes in a trunk can help protect your car during a hailstorm. Check the weather. Checking the weather before leaving and monitoring weather apps while traveling can alert you to inclement weather as it approaches. Insurance. You never know when hailstorms might hit. Having readily available auto insurance to fix the damage will help you in the end. Protect your windshields. Having boxes or other harder protective materials on hand will help minimize damage from a hailstorm. Don't worry, if a hailstorm has already passed and you have hail damage, call us. We can fix it. Our experts can fix any dent, big or small, and get your vehicle looking as good as new in no time.